how to post pictures on Instagram comment. So if you want to post pictures on Instagram comment, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Instagram and make sure that you've logged into your Instagram. After logging into your Instagram, now if you have the updated version, then it's good. But if you don't have the updated version, first you need to make sure that you have an updated version. You can go with your Play Store and then update your Instagram. After updating, open your Instagram and then make sure that you've logged in. And after logging in, now you need to just go with the comments section. Like, go and select any post that you're comfortable with and then go with the comment section. In my case, I'll just simply go with this post and then go with comments. Now, as you can see that there's no option of adding a picture in an Instagram comment. If you go with the right side, you will have the stickers option, or you will have the GIF option, or if you try to comment something, then you won't have picture option. You can either have your words, stickers, emojis, or you can also add some GIFs for your comment. When you tap on the GIFs, you'll have different types of stickers and GIFs over here. So you cannot post a picture in an Instagram comment because there's no option to do that. But in future updates, you may have that option. But for now, we don't have that option. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.